In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to make a parallel line construction. We start off with just a reference line. As such, we just use the straight edge and go straight across. We then say that there's some point off the line, call it point A, that we're interested in making the line through that is both parallel to this guy and just runs through that point. Okay. In order to do this, we're going to arbitrarily just designate a second point. Okay. We're going to call that point way down here, and it's just going to be on the original line that we drew, point B. Okay. We're then going to draw a straight line through A and B using the straight edge. Okay. So we now have a line that is certainly not parallel to the original one, but we're going to use it to construct the parallel line. We first take our compass, we put it at point B, some distance away but closer than A. It doesn't have to be closer than A, but it's usually helpful to make smaller circles. And we're going to sweep across both of the lines that we're interested in. Okay? We're actually going to do that exact same thing at point A. We're not going to go through the other line, but we are going to make one that sweeps a good distance around. Okay? We now have these two arcs. Okay? We then take the point of intersection. Okay? We're going to label it point C here, and then we'll also label point D here. We take that, we measure the distance between C, D, and I should mark the other one, the other intersection, E. And our goal is to actually find where that intersection would also exist over here by marking off the distance between C and E. Okay. We use our compass to store the length. We put the edge at C, the other edge at E. We now know that that is the length of our circle, so, or the length distance between segments CE. It would also be the segment length between D and another point on our parallel line. So we take our compass point, put it at D, and then sweep a circle around, noting that there will be an intersection point right here, which is F. That point we know will end up on the same parallel line along with A. So we are going to draw that straight edge line between those 2 points. Okay. And thus we have drawn 2 lines which are parallel, sometimes marked by the arrows that I have put on there. The details of proving that these are parallel is something to be left in a future lesson when we start talking about similarity and congruence in triangles in chapter 4.